Hello guys. This is Social Trades once more. So this is Tuesday, 21 April. Mm, that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for tomorrow, this 22 April. So this 22 April 2026, Wednesday, economic calendar. We're gonna check what we have. And straight going down, we see some pound news there. That's nice. All of these are nice. PPI, CPI, except except there's one trick along the line. They from the UK, BOE, Breeden, or whoever, I'm sorry, whoever this name is called, he's speaking or she's speaking. So we treat this the same way we treat New York. When the Fed are speaking in London, which is for the UK, you don't wanna touch it, right? You're just gonna leave it. Ignore the London session. Then here, starting at 1 o'clock, we see nice pound news. 1 o'clock here is taking is 7 a.m. New York time. So here I'm in SA. So this is what we have. This is it. These are nice. We're coming in at 7. And then we have nothing. Even at 2:30, we have nothing, which is 8:30 New York time. But then we know that even at that time, something will happen. The market will move because it's a program. And then at 10:30, when the first hour of trading is done, crude oil inventories come in. That means the first hour trading, this is going to be 10:30 New York time. That's going to means from 9:30 until 10:30. That's the hour. Then these are going to come in. That's all nice. Everything here is nice. So the morning session here is very nice. It's clean. You can trade the morning session. In the PM, we have this prior. We have this during lunch, New York lunch. So we can trade the PM session tomorrow too. So both the morning session and the PM session are available. The social trades, and that's value at no cost.